Well, I was wrong. I thought it was horses, but now I remember it is a tractor that pulls it. And I think they're getting ready to take off, so time for me to get on. Let's go for a ride.
We'll drive around everywhere. We'll see a lot of things. You are? That's great. We've never been here before. We went to another place like this and we went on a hill.
What's up? Lean on the Thanks. So here's Ian on his 18th birthday, and we're gonna go get us a pumpkin. Off to get a pumpkin. Let's see what you found. Oh. That looks like a pretty darn good one.
Oh, there's in the
And
back.
it's big.
Dent, but besides that dent in the back.
Yeah, but it like the hair goes back on it, you know, with the stem. That's a really nice pumpkin. Good job. So Ian quickly found his. He saw it actually when we were on the wagon hayride thing. And so he spotted a few and he looked and he saw that that one was really nice and he's hanging out by that one. And I was looking for something of a different shape than that. And I was looking at smaller ones. And then I decided to look in the boxes. And there's what I found. I think that one, because it's got an unusual shape. It's got pretty good color. Hopefully I don't pull the stem off. Now, if I clean it up, that is a cool pumpkin. If it stands upright, that's the one. I found my pumpkin. That is such a neat shape. How it's kind of like an egg. There you go. Bobblehead Homestead. There is my egg of a pumpkin.
Ian's 18th birthday. He's got a bunch of friends over. Bowling. You're up.
I'm winning. This time. My fingers split.
You didn't have to feel sorry for him, Caleb.